Darwinism is a theory of evolution of humans. It was theorized by Charles Darwin that evolution is done by natural selection, where organisms face changes over time from gaining certain physical and behavioral traits from adapting to the environment. Darwin wrote about evolution in the book The Origins of Species in 1859. He used the example of American black bears going to catch insects and fish in the waters, evolving with larger mouths until a whale was produced. The theory believed strongly in survival of the fittest, with the weak perishing and the strong adapting and growing in power. So, how did Charles Darwin come up with this revolutionary idea? It all started when he went on an adventure. In 1831, at just 21 years of age, he set sail on a scientific expedition. He was a naturalist on this voyage. As a naturalist, it was his job to observe and collect specimens of plants, animals, rocks, and fossils wherever the expedition went ashore. Darwin was extremely amused by this nature, and his job on the Beagle was the most important time of his life. He spent 3 years exploring nature on distant continents and islands. While he was away, a teacher published all his research, findings, and accounts. When he returned to England, he had become famous as a naturalist. The main features of Darwinism are as follows. Number 1. Overproduction. All organisms possess enormous fertility and multiply rapidly. Thus, more individuals are produced, and generations can survive, evidently. Limited resources. Although the world's population is definitely increasing, there aren't enough resources to go around for everyone. Same species are struggling to survive or exist because their requirements are similar. They need what everyone else needs, and there isn't enough of that to go around. A few other features would include phenotypic variations, survival of the fittest, meaning that organisms have favorable variations will survive, formation of new species, and which means considering that organisms with favorable variations continue to survive, they will pass down their useful traits to the next generation.